What is up? All right, so check this out. This I should have got it into a better spot, but this is what you get. This is the, hold on, got something on the lens. Okay, anyways, oh yeah, I think we're all right, that's better. All right, so check this out. We've got the Chevy crew cab. I went and got a new battery, got some new connections. This thing is pretty sweet. So it's kind of a tight fit because we had to get it off the trailer, and this it was bad. So it sits where it sits because I couldn't move it, because I couldn't start it. But now we've got flat tires on the rear. But check this out. So here's oh yeah, check that. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Yeah, we got the old school. Oh, I need to do some gluing there. We'll get that taken care of. But anyways, it's in rough shape. I mean, it is an old truck, sat on a farm for a little while. I mean, this stuff is just dirty. But I think we can clean some of this stuff up. Who knows? We might find some goodies back here. Might find some rats or mice or I don't know. Oh, what's that? Just kidding. So anyways, check this out. We're gonna clean it. I'm gonna get in here. We're gonna detail this. We're gonna clean this stuff up. See what we can do to just fancy this up a little bit. But the front, this is kind of horrible. But nothing. Oh look, black ice. No shit, dude. That's my favorite. Anyway, so this seat is, I mean, besides this little foam piece, it's really not that bad as far as the cushion goes. Probably not gonna reupholster this, probably just gonna get a seat cover, but possibly we're maybe gonna look into another seat for this. So this is trash, but it's just it's trash. Like, we can clean this trash. So the dashboard, obviously the dashboard is hammered. A lot of old timer cigarettes in here. It's just tire gauge, but it's in rough shape. The worst part is obviously the top, all this stuff. So if anybody has a dashboard for this or got any ideas of what to do, I'd like to keep the dash original. The floorboards, this side's not too bad. This side's horrible, obviously. I might spend some time, try my luck at cutting that out. But for now, oh look, some old license plates to take care of this. But it is a four-wheel drive. So we got a crew cab, four-wheel drive. Now, for those of you who made it this far in the video, this is what excites me. All right, are you ready for this? Okay, so we've got this push to start. Yes, I fired it up just a minute ago because I wanted to see what. I just put a new battery in it, so I turned it off. But listen. Now, can't run it for too long because I don't have a radiator. The radiator broke, so we're gonna try to get this all welded up. It's an old brass radiator, so hopefully we can fix that. I noticed after it's off, I got a leak in the fuel somewhere. But overall, we've got some work to do to this thing. But hold on, listen. I feel like I'm sitting in a lowrider here because the rear tires are flat. But yeah, I mean, she purrs. She purrs. So top part here, this won't be too bad. We can get a new thing in here. We can just reupholster this stuff, but a lot of this stuff really ain't too bad. Like I said, the dashboard, that kind of is shitty. I don't know what happened there, but for the most part, yeah, I'm pretty sure. Oh look, it's got a fuel tank. What's that? Push? I don't even know. I'm gonna research that. But it's got no radio. We gotta change that. We gotta get a radio. Probably get an aftermarket one. But the steering wheel's got a little problem here. But I don't know. Probably have to fix that somehow. Whoa, horn works. Horn works, people. Horn, the Chevrolet, the horn works. The horn works. But so body lines, this ain't lining up too good, so I need to figure out what I can do to better latch this door. I feel like that I can get to shut a little further, but I just feel like there's some adjustment I need to do maybe up here. Other than that, as far as body work goes, the bed's not too bad. This is trash. I have to bondo that. I'll just bondo that. This ain't gonna be your mint show truck. I mean, I want it to kind of be slightly show truckish, but let's face it, I want to drive the thing, right? I want to drive it. So other than that, this door's trash. I need to fix that. Maybe just get a new door for that bad boy. This is the original door. I think that other one obviously is different, but yeah, we'll do our best to look. That rear door needs to be shut a little bit better. Let's check this out. Oh, it's a tight fit. Yeah, so see this, see that it just needs a few little adjustments here and there, but you can see this was kind of, looks like that was kind of bondoed. Oh wow, look at that. That's a lot of bondo right there. I don't know what happened here, whether they were trying to get it to match the bed sides here, but it's quite a bit of bondo on that. Anyways, worst case scenario, that gets too bad, we can always throw a flatbed on it, right? Flatbed. But anyways, that's it. I mean, I don't know much else about the truck other than, you know, obviously I want to do an oil change on it. I want to go through, get this stuff all figured out, and obviously this, I've been told that we could solder this. I don't know. I'm gonna ask some experts though, but worst case scenario, we buy a new radiator for it. Big deal, right? Big deal, as long as it runs. But it sounded pretty good. That thing runs like a champ. Now, I don't know what transmission is under here. He told me, I forgot. In fact, maybe I'll message him real quick and see what he said, because like I said, I kind of forgot. I don't know, but it's in rough shape. Like I said, just gotta go through, do a few little things to it, try to get this bad boy on the road. But that's my goal, so stay tuned. I don't know what I'm gonna do next on it. I think I might, well, the radiator is obviously the first thing I gotta do, but I am going to hit up Provo Big O tires or the Pleasant Grove store. I don't know, whichever one has a set of tires. But I'm going to take these off, most likely send it in with them and let them mount some new tires on here. Or if we can find a used set of tires and wheels, that would be good, because I've got this wheel and that wheel back there matches, but the other two wheels, they don't match. So that's my dilemma. Obviously we got the good old hood bend, missing a spring here. Yeah, these are famous for the crease in the hood here. So I could probably touch that up a little bit, fix that. But as I said, basically the deal is with this truck is I traded it for YouTube. So follow along, subscribe. I don't like to tell people that, but I'm actually pretty excited about this build, just because I love the Suburban. The Suburban's been freaking fantastic, and it's already built. I don't have a whole lot to do to that, except for I did buy the 1-ton, the Dana 60. We're gonna throw that under the front end. So stay tuned for some more videos where we're gonna do that. So we've got that, we've got the crew cab, and then we've got this little bad biatch. She is under the knife. So stay tuned. We're gonna find some time to work on her, get her all fixed up, ready to rally. This is gonna be our rally rig. Rally, not to be confused with rally with Rolly, but that's gonna be a fun ride. So anyways, stay tuned, like and subscribe, stick around. If you got any suggestions on what I should do to the crew cab, or if you got any parts, or if you want to come help me work on the damn thing, be my guest, because I have no idea. I know how to do Bondo, I know how to do some of that stuff, a little bit of motor work, but for the most part, I'm not an expert at any of that. So any advice, any help, the way that I'm gonna pay for this build, man, excuse me, dinner was rough. But anyways, the way I'm gonna pay for this build is just from your support, watching the videos. I do make a little bit of money. Obviously, if anyone else wants to pitch in, help me out to build this thing, I mean, I would love it, but all I ask is just watch some of the videos is all. But if you want to be a part of the build, like if you're a company and you got parts, or you got a lift, or you got tires, Steve with Provo Big O Tires, used set of tires for now, but later on, you know, whatever we can do to help this build and get sponsors or whatnot, that'd be great. So I'm gonna end this video. It's like already too long, so stay tuned, because we're gonna get some tires for it and fix the radiator or buy a new one. But anyways, smile every day, man. Life is good. Go have fun. Life is short also, so remember that. Life is short. Get out and enjoy life.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way